Hey everyone, so today we're going way beyond your basic AI chat. We're going to talk about building a powerful custom AI teammate. And you know what the best part is? You can do all of it without writing a single line of code. So if you're ready to see what AI can really do, you're in the right place. We're going to show you how to build an AI that doesn't just talk, it actually gets things done.
You've probably run into this, right? You use a chatbot and it just feels robotic, like it's stuck on a script. And yeah, that's fine for simple stuff, but what if you need an AI that can actually think? You know, one that can solve real problems, figure things out, and actually do work in the real world.
Okay, so this right here really breaks it down. On the left, you've got your standard chatbot, just following its programming. It's stuck on rails. But look at the right. That's an AI agent. It's a whole different ballgame. It can reason through a problem, it can grab different tools to find information, and then, this is the key, it can actually take action to hit its goals. It's a true problem solver, not just a script reader.
So, what's the secret sauce? What really makes an AI agent so different? Let's dive in and look at what makes these agents feel less like a piece of software and more like a legit member of your team.
So here's the deal. An AI agent is basically an interactive assistant that takes a super powerful language model, that's the brain, and connects it to real-world capabilities. You should really think of it as your first AI teammate, one that you can train for a specific job. And I mean it when I say teammate. These things can learn, they can adapt, and they can even work with you to get stuff done.
So, what can this AI teammate of yours actually do? Well, first off, it can chat with you totally naturally, just like a person. It gets the context. It can also access knowledge, like instantly searching all your documents and databases to find exactly what you need in seconds. But that's not all. It can use tools. We're talking hundreds of apps you're already using to take action, like sending an email or updating a customer record. And maybe most important of all, it remembers your conversations so you're not always starting over from scratch.
Okay, now that you get what an AI agent can do, let's look at how you actually build one. This is kind of like the agent's control panel. It's where you put all the pieces together, almost like you're assembling a toolkit for a new employee. And it's super simple. Anyone can do this. You don't need to be a tech wizard.
Your agent is basically built from these 11 powerful capability areas. Think of them as building blocks. You don't have to use all of them. You just pick and choose the skills your agent needs for its specific job. Want it to access your company's knowledge base? Check. Need it to use tools like Salesforce or Google Drive? Check. You can even give it the ability to write and run its own code. First up, you got to pick its brain. And as you can see here, it's really easy to choose the right AI model for the job. If you're building a general business tool, you'll probably want a really powerful model. But hey, if you're on a budget, there are some great cost-effective options too. You just match the task to the model. Simple as that.
Next, you give it knowledge. And this part is a total game changer. You can literally plug your agent directly into your company's private files, product manuals, or internal websites. And just like that, boom, you've got an instant expert on your business. It's like having a whole research team on standby 24/7.
But what good is knowledge if you can't do anything with it? To actually get work done, an agent needs tools. And this is where AgenticFlow really shines. It lets you connect your agent to a library of over 300 applications and services. This is how your AI breaks out of the chat window and starts working inside your actual workflows.
And we're not talking about some obscure tools nobody's ever heard of. We're talking about the big ones, the systems your business already runs on. Just imagine an agent that can look up a customer in Salesforce, grab a file from Google Drive, and then shoot a summary over to your team in Slack. That's the kind of workflow automation we're talking about here.
And for you more advanced users, get this. Your agent can even write and run its own Python code in a totally secure environment. I mean, this just blows the doors open for things like complex data analysis or creating custom charts on the fly. And the craziest part? You don't need to be a programmer to use it. The agent handles all the coding itself. Okay, so we know what these agents can do. Now let's talk about how to build them the right way and get them out into the world. This is where the rubber meets the road, so listen up.
All right, here is a major pro tip from the experts. Less is more. I know it's tempting to just give your agent every single tool you can think of, but that's actually a bad idea. Every tool you add makes it a little slower and a little more complex. So a focused agent with only the tools it actually needs for its job is going to be faster, cheaper, and way more reliable. Trust me on this.
And check this out. You can also control your agent's personality with a single slider. If you want a customer support agent that gives super consistent, factual answers, you turn the creativity way down. But if you need an assistant to help you brainstorm new ideas for content, You can crank the creativity way up. It's all about tuning it for the specific task.
So once your agent is built and ready to go, getting it out there is honestly the easiest part. You can embed it as a little chat widget on your website, you can share a public link for people to use, or you can plug it directly into tools like Slack and Discord. There's no complicated deployment process. You can get this thing in front of users in minutes.
All right, you've got the blueprint. Now for the fun part. Let's look at some of the incredible things you can build with this platform. And these aren't just ideas. These are AI teammates you could literally start building right now.
And you're not starting from a blank page. Using pre-built templates, you can spin up a customer support agent that answers questions 24/7, or a sales assistant that qualifies your leads and books demos for you. You can even build a data analyst that crunches spreadsheets and spits out reports. The foundation is already there, so you can hit the ground running.
And let's not forget the most important takeaway from all of this. This incredible power, the ability to build intelligent assistants that can reason, learn, and act, is now available to everyone. You don't have to be a coder or a data scientist. All you need is a problem you want to solve and a little creativity. So look, we've moved from these clunky, scripted bots to truly intelligent teammates that can be customized for just about any role you can imagine. The building blocks are here, and they're easier to use than ever before. So, the only question left is, what will you build?